if you're looking for a little something to do with your kiddos, I got sent this in the mail and I'm excited about it. It's a whole musical kit. I've been looking for one, especially for my kiddos who are nonverbal, because I want to encourage them to be noisy. If they can't be noisy with their voice right now, then we're gonna be noisy with toys, and that's okay. And we're gonna do songs. So maybe I'll do something like Bingo was his name, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. And I'll just let them shake it during the song. I don't care. But the point is that they're learning to participate. They're copying me. I'm shaking, you're shaking, we're doing it together. And if they start humming along, then hey, that's a success. They're starting to use there's bugs out here. They're starting to use their voice in a way of copying me. And then I'd encourage them, open your mouth, let's go. B, B, B-I-N-G-O, right? Something like that. Obviously spelling might be a little bit difficult, so maybe I'll do Oh McDonald, Oh McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Doesn't matter what you do, but you're just letting the kid be noisy with you, and then encourage them to go to make the sounds too. Moo, with the moo here and a moo there. Oh my gosh, it doesn't matter. It gives them something to do, because using their voice right now is probably hard for them, so they can be successful and we can praise them. Good, you did what I did, you shook the tambourine. So I'm a big fan of this musical kit. You can get it on Amazon. There's a link below. It's got like a ton of different things. You could do it with a whole classroom of kids, which would be so fun for me one day. Anyways, get it with the link below on Amazon. I'm a fan. Have a lot of fun with your kiddos with this musical kit. Subscribe, like, and share, since I am creating new videos with educational ideas for you and your kids, even during quarantine, weekly on Tuesdays. Thanks. Happy talking with your toddlers.